Hey everyone, Clip Butler here from SIA. On behalf of Dory Friend and the entire SIA team, thank you for watching. This is test number 25. It's LSI versus keywords, which is actually it's a pretty interesting test. Back in 2016, this stuff got a little wonky, so let's get into it. All right, so the concept of latent semantic indexing is not new. It's been around since way before 2016 we did this test, but I think it was becoming more and more popular as more tools came out to address it. Text analysis tools like let's say Ntopic would be a good example. There's a tool inside of the website auditor for SEO Power Suite. There's a bunch of them out there, and basically what the concept is let's say you're writing a topic about wooden pipes. There are the tools will go out and look at the pages that are ranking for wooden pipes and make a count of all the words that are in there and see which ones are used more often. And then in so much as that would say, use these words in your content because these words are often associated with the target word that you're trying to rank for. And it's LSI. This test definitely has to get reviewed though, because now we have super LSI. For lack of a better word, we've got entities, and entities are creating quite a buzz within the SEO community and the content people, machine learning, AI, etc. You got Bert, you got Smith, and I'm sure that OpenAI, and you got all these other things that are developing and looking at entities in a whole new way. And entities, ultimately, if you look at a lot of the lists, you'll see that a lot of your LSI terms, I'm going to use air quotes, were entities, persons, place, things, events. So we wanted to see if LSI, i.e. forming the topic around a keyword using latent semantic indexing or super LSI entities, would beat out keyword density in head-to-head. So if I, versus saying more or less about my keyword, less times, I would say more by using LSI and keep my keyword density low. And the result was a keyword density 1. The page that was optimized for the keyword beat the LSI optimized page. So reduced keyword density with increased optimization for LSI does not beat keyword higher keyword density. It just doesn't work. So you have to figure that out when you're writing your content. And there's a lot of different tools out there and stuff that look at keyword density, and they do it all from different perspectives. So I'm going to just turn on SERPworks here, and you can see the keyword density 0.01 with the SERP average of 3.034. Now, it's not even entirely clear how they did it. Like I asked them one time, and we're looking at the entire page and we're breaking that out, etc. But if you come over here and just look at another keyword density tool, let's just pick one for example. Keyword density. Yeah, there you go. Checker. Let's look checker. Keyword density checker. There's one. Let's just pick a random one. Actually, let's pick some extras. Let's pick, I'm turning this off now. We'll pick this one. And let's see. I don't see this one around a lot. We'll pick that one. Or I see the Internet Marketing Ninjas. We'll pick that one. All right, so we got this one page. I'm copy the backlink. Copy the URL. The density in SERPworks said 0.034. Or it's actually 1, but I got keywords anywhere hiding it. Let me see. Set 0.17. That's the density. 0.174 wooden pipes. Okay, so let's look in here. I'm going to put it in here. Is this one going to open? Put it here. Answer the CAPTCHA. Please don't give me traffic lights. Thank you. I'm going to go over here. Cancel. Allow. Please don't give me traffic lights. Thank you. Go here. Allow. one's got that damn notice. And I'll just put it in there. The other ones didn't ask for it. I'll put it in there. And I'll leave that. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we did that. And now we got to find the actual real start button because those are designed to get you to click. Check density. All right, so there's the top keywords. Frequency. I didn't want frequency. I want density. 2 words. Wooden pipes. Wooden tobacco. Wooden tobacco pipes. Why are those 3 words in there? Wooden pipes is not used by itself. Wood and pipes is wood tobacco pipes. This tool didn't find any from it looks like. And I'm getting really pissed off with the multiple ads here. So let's keep looking down. We don't see anything. Wooden pipes, 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 wooden pipes. Don't see it at all. Don't see it. Don't see it. There's wooden is used 7 times. There's no combination of wooden pipes in that page, so that's interesting. So the keyword density would be 0 according to that tool, right? So let's go to this one. 2 word phrases, wood pipes, wood tobacco pipes. According to that tool, keyword density would be 0. Wooden pipes. This tool only gives you single keywords. That's about not helpful. We've got wood, 7% density on wood. Wooden pipes, wood and pipes, 6% density on pipes. Almost 7. And there's no two word tools in there, so that's useless. This is probably the nicest interface. Wood pipes, kind of variation, but it's not exact match. Wood tobacco pipe, wooden tobacco pipes, not exact match. So there's no exact match on the tool, right? So the number 1 page has no exact match. So you see why this needs to be, it needs to be retested and needs to be looked at. I bet you I can run it on Quora and find something else. Let's do that. Why not? We're here. We might as well mess with some of my tools, right? Quora. What am I looking for? Here it is. Correlate. I don't know if it's going to bring that up. Not even sure. While we're doing this, let's shut this off so I can see all the SERPs. No, I want to go. Let's go with this one. Smoke wooden pipes. Run this tool again, since I kind of like that one. I like the interface of this one better. That one's garbage. Success, see results. Wasn't really a fan of this one. And yeah, this one's kind of cool, but wooden pipe. 2.96. Wooden pipes. This is the plural. I would just add that together and say it's 3%. So that was good. And then this tool said it was not. If I remember correctly, it said it was not even available. Let's go Amazon and run stone wooden pipes. Let's check that one out. Wood pipes. No. Wooden pipes is not even there. It's interesting. See, so it's 0 according to that tool. 3-0. Let's see what this one says. Wooden pipes, 1%. So that's that one. Etsy. Let's see what next Bardos is. Wooden pipe, 1.04. All right, so roughly we want to probably be around the 1.52%. Wooden pipe. Is that right? Wooden pipes. Search. That's what we're looking for. And then I'll run it. And we'll just get the data and see what we got going on there. Okay, so all this I don't need anymore. Clean out that noise. Internet Marketing Ninja's tool seems to be the best one. So the test results say that it was optimized for that page. It beat the LSI. So we got to check that out and see if that is still the case, especially with the implementation of Google's NLP API and possibly BERT, etc., helping analyze the pages and see and formulate topics, etc. So we got to figure that out and see if that's still a thing, still a deal. And also, what I just did there, you can see that each tool will provide you different results. I'm sure I'm going to get different results out of the Cora tool here once that's done. So you got to take that into account and look around and find one that you trust, one that you know that is going to give you the most accurate results. Some things that messed that up is the header, footer, the sidebars, sometimes the ads, if there's text ads in there, that kind of stuff. Comments will mess up your keyword density checker if you don't include them. Because Google will see those and Google will see those contents, and those actually, the more content you have, you'll actually reduce your keyword density if your people are not commenting on that topic or using that keyword. So you'll reduce your overall keyword density for the entire page. But that's assuming that Google is combining that, and it doesn't know, like, you start your article at one point and your article's finished, and another is Google taking that, and because the comments are typically loaded within the body tag, is that added into it. That's an interesting question that could use some testing as well. We see Corelight is still doing its thing. It might take a little bit because I'm recording at the same time, and we're asking it a lot of it in my computer at this moment. We'll see. It's almost done. Okay. I don't want to say here in science too much, but basically what it's doing is running through. If you've never seen this before, it's running through the top 100. It's comparing. It's looking at what the competitors are doing, and then it's saying this is kind of what you need to do to beat it. I could have given it a target or added a URL to it so I can compare it against if I wanted to. And at the end of when it's all said and done, it's going to spit out this nice report that is actually you can save as an HTML file for your reporting or whatever you want to do with it. So we're waiting for that, and it'll give us entities that'll use, and I believe there's an LSI report in there. There's a little bit. It's not like the main Cora one. The main Cora software does all the LSI like a end topic would, etc. It does the counts and all that stuff. I'm not entirely sure if this one's doing it, but I know that this report is actually smaller. It's not as built out as the main Cora one, because the main Cora output is a Excel spreadsheet. So typically that could actually have hundreds in it. But it will, the benefit of both of these is that they reduce that large word count and say, here are the ones that you probably should use the most. Also very useful if you're combining all those reports and let's say you have 10 of them, you're ranking for I don't know, let's go with city web design. So you have 10 cities and you can find the LSIs that are common to all of those, and those are real popular, and start and add those into your template as you're building that out to try to rank for more stuff. Just to get a little bit closer, so you don't have to, reinvent the wheel and examine each one individually in the beginning. So almost done. Entities remaining. It's just finishing out. It's doing some API stuff. Output test started. Output test ended. And it looks like it's going to crash. Waiting. Yep, it crashed. Every time I share this software live, it crashes. I think I'm going to stop sharing it live. I'm going to save this and give this to Ted Kabaitis so he can fix it. And but I think we've met our point, right? So look, we got to retest this. One, we got to test LSI without the entities in it intentionally, and then we have to test the LSI with the entities, and then I would say testing only entities, but that doesn't make any sense because it's still LSI. But we'll knock all of those out, and it'll be a good set of retests for the members of SIA. Okay, hopefully you learned something, and appreciate you. And see you guys on the next video. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know when I publish it. Later.